Welcome to JH. Recently, a website called Fura.com has been grabbing some attention online, claiming to be the ultimate destination for clothes and accessories at massive discounts. But the real question is it actually legit or just another digital mirage? We decided to take a closer look so you don't have to. First, we checked the registration and discovered it was created in September 2025. Apparently, these guys are so advanced they've started opening businesses in the future. For a brand new site to claim this much authority is already a bit of a stretch. Next, we looked at their product images, which appear to be lazily copied from across the internet. Because why bother with a real photo shoot when you can just treat the web like your personal clip art gallery, right? Genuine stores usually prefer showing you what they actually have in stock. Then come the discounts, up to 90% off on almost everything. It sounds amazing until you remember that if a deal looks too good to be true, it's usually because it is. Most businesses actually enjoy making a profit, but I guess Fura.com is just feeling incredibly charitable. Moving on to their customer support, things get even sketchier. They only provide a single email address for contact. There is no phone number, no physical address, and definitely no live chat. It's the digital equivalent of a gone fishing sign on a blank storefront. Finally, we checked external review sites like Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing. No feedback, no customer experiences, just total silence. It's as empty as a stadium during a lockout. So is Fura.com legit? Based on the evidence, it's a hard pass. Between the recycled images, the unrealistic discounts, and the total lack of contact info, this site has more red flags than a referee at a bad football game. It's best to stay cautious and keep your credit card far away from this one. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on which online stores to trust and which ones to avoid.